What is going on, guys? Welcome to our channel. So today we're going to be doing some detail on our cars. We're going to be working on this 2014 Audi A4, and we bought some product from Amazon. The product is called Chemical, guys. So I'm going to start off this whole kit. We got it for 80 bucks. Obviously, first thing, we got the bucket. Came with that. This is actually a really cool little tool. I wasn't sure what it was at first, but what you do, so you put this at the bottom of the bucket, right? And it always says at the bottom, all the dust, all the dirt goes on the bottom, and it has this little gap where everything just maintains on the bottom. So when you put your towel, it doesn't collect any dust. So I thought that was very, very neat. Simple and neat. Then this device right here, this is where you put the chemical into. You put the soap, and then the rest will be with water. And this will connect to your regular garden hose. And then this will snap onto here, just like that. And then you got the device. We haven't played with it yet, but there's a bunch of settings. I'm pretty sure this is like what kind of pressure you want and all that. So that'll be that. Connect that. Then we got this pretty cool hand brush. So you put your hand in here, actually very fuzzy. Oh, it feels nice. Come here. Want to feel it? Anyways, he doesn't want to feel it. But anyways, this is used for the outside on the body. Got the brush. So we're gonna use that as well. I'm not sure what this is used for. The wheels. For the wheels. Yeah. Right. Okay. So the brush is used for the wheels, and then we got the foam brush as well, or like a wax for the wax. Then we got this cloth. This is also for interior, or towel, I guess. And then we got 3 microfibers. This is more for like glass cleaning when we dry the car. So. Okay, so we'll start with the chemicals. So this is the first product we're gonna be using. This is called the Snow Foam Auto Wash. They call it Honeydew. So this we'll be putting this product into this guy right here, into this canister. And then this will be like the first step. So that's the wash. Then we have the Speed Wipe. This is more of like you put it on a microfiber towel and wipe it for the body as well. On the paint. The Diablo wheel cleaner, silk shine dressing. So these two kind of go hand in hand. This one will be for like interior, I guess, and then this will be for exterior. And then the final product, this was not included in the kit. We bought this one separate from Walmart, right? This is for the interior, so dash, glass, navigation, more like, yeah, all-in-one wiper. So I think this one just says use microfiber towel. So yeah, that is it for the kit. So this whole thing, excluding this guy right here, is all 80 bucks. Visit our link in the description if you want to purchase this kit. We're about to just set out, so yeah, let's get started. First thing we're gonna do, we're gonna connect the hose to this guy right here. So this will go right in here. Just like that. I got the Snow Foam Auto Wash Honeydew. Smells like honeydew. Really? Yeah. Drop this sucker in. See that? And here we go.
So this thing, we probably don't in here.
I think you're right.
How about this one?
Hold on. Hang on. Go like this.
Here we go.
There. All right, so there is step 1. Open this up. Okay, so we got the brush, got the cleaner. Ooh. Diablo. Smell that? Bubble gum. Wow. Looks good, smells good. Fuzzy guy.
The fuzzy guy, yeah.
So it's like the fiber's still flying off. Okay, anyway, so Diablo, we're done. This is inside. We'll put some of this honeydew inside. Soap it up a little bit. Like that. Not too much. Mix it up. Ooh. Start from the top and work our way down. You know, Vlad?
What's up?
Hopefully it doesn't rain tomorrow or snow.
Or today.
Or today or tonight, right?
Yeah.
All this hard work for nothing. But guys, it's all for you.
It's all for the burning rubber
It's all for the channel.
followers.
Yeah, guys, so, don't forget to check out our merch. We got some new merch out there. Some nice hoodies, some t-shirts, pants, socks, some nice swag. So if you guys want to support the boys, stop on by into our merch store. Very good products, all black. Yeah. Looks good. Got a little scrape. How do you get it out? Oh, here it is.
Just the two buttons.
Yeah, I can feel it. There's a bunch of dirt on the bottom. That's cool. That is cool, actually. Neat. Okay. All right. So, next step, we got it all washed. So now we're gonna rinse it. Stuff like this. See the rubber? When it's like dry, it becomes like a little bit like not as shiny. It's kind of like faded. So this will kind of bring up that more like a gloss shine. So all this, all these, this guy right here. I mean, you can even use on tires, they say. Windshield wipers, this guy right here. This is all rubber. I know when it's dry, it's kind of like more of like faded black, so it doesn't really look good. Even on this is more like a faded black. Put it there. So that product is more for like outside gonna be. I mean, you could use it for inside too. It doesn't specify. It just says for. So yeah. So we can use that, but that you should apply this only when it's dry, so not when it's wet. Rinse it off. Okay. Microfiber towels. Feels fuzzy. It's nice. So you want to wet this guy? Go like that. And you wring it. Okay, and then I start from the top. Hold it. See how when it's all dried up, it's like that faded black. Same thing will happen over here. See, like some areas, it's becoming faded versus this is gloss black. So with that spray, with this spray right here, it'll maintain that black glossy look. See that? It's all nice and glossy. Also use it for rubber. And with this, I'm just gonna let it settle, and then I'll just wipe the rim later. Okay. Let's do the other one. Usually Windex is blue, right?
Yeah. That's not the usual product.
It's not. Okay. So with this, I'm not gonna spray on the window. I'm gonna spray on the towel. That way I don't spray the black trim that I just cleaned. So. Yeah. Alright, so now we're gonna clean the inside of the car. So, what we're gonna do, I'm gonna use that product to do the leather and then also the door panels. we're gonna use this bad boy. Mom's car sounds like a spaceship, doesn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Mama's home, so he's happy. So, we're gonna use the Total Interior Cleaner Protection. Just spray and wipe. Just like that. Look at that. See, it gives it like a nice glossy look to it after. Alright guys, well that's a wrap for the cleaning and the detailing. The exterior looks very nice, very clean. Look how shiny it looks. That wheel shine and the trim piece on the black looks really good. The inside interior product worked really well. Let me show you what it looks like right now. Take a look. It's looking extra clean. This thing is like, looks like a dealer car. Very clean, and it cleaned up the leather and all the trims and dashboard very clean. The paint actually kind of feels even kind of glossy, even though there's no wax, nothing, but it feels really nice and smooth. So the wheels I just sprayed, I didn't wipe them, but I'm just gonna leave it like that. I'm just gonna clean up the rims itself, kind of get rid of all the spray they got on the wheels. But other than that, very good product. I highly recommend Chemical Guys. Like I said, this was the only product that we bought separate from the Amazon. This one we bought from Walmart. Do you know how much we bought it for?
$10.
So $10 for the interior clean. This is the honeydew stuff that we use for the car wash. This is the one product. These are the two products that we did not use. We're gonna use this probably more in the summer. This is more like a wax and like a shine, but we're here right now in winter season right now, so it could snow, rain here, you know, anytime soon, so we don't want to be using these just yet, but I'm pretty sure they're just as good as any other products. The Diablo wheel cleaner worked out real nice. This is actually one of my favorites. Glass cleaner was very good stuff, and then also the silk shiner for the interior, so good product. All these stuff that came with it, the brushes, the sponge, the microfiber, and then also the device itself was actually really handy. So yeah, I highly recommend it. Go to our description, check out a link, try it out. We like it and hope you guys enjoyed it just as much as we do. Thanks again for watching. Hope you guys liked the video. Subscribe to our channel, give us a like, leave a comment. Thanks for watching.